Most people get this wrong. They assume NextSplit is just another buy now pay later app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access split payment options and financial tracking tools all on one platform. When used responsibly, it can help you manage expenses without falling into debt traps. Here's how NextSplit works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within hours. Eligible purchases can be divided into smaller, scheduled installments, giving you more flexibility with your cash flow. NextSplit charges a predictable, flat fee per transaction rather than traditional interest, so there are no surprises. NextSplit also offers dashboards, notifications, and reminders to help you track spending, monitor upcoming payments, and stay on budget. The downside? Using NextSplit too frequently can be costly. Missed payments for repeated advances add up, and over-reliance can mask deeper financial issues. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only borrow what you can repay on time. 2. Enable repayment alerts. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want to manage larger purchases. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, NextSplit could end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, NextSplit in 2026 is a useful financial tool, but only when used wisely. Plan ahead, track fees, and use it as a temporary solution. Subscribe for more practical financial advice and honest app reviews.